Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty, and recently I started sharing my life. I recently shared a video where I was telling you guys how I moved from my parents' house and I was able to secure an apartment in Lagos. So if you have not seen that video, I'll put it in the description, or you can just check my channel, you'll find it. So I just finished filming a makeup content for my social media, and I thought to do like an intro for this vlog. Basically what I'm going to be showing you in this vlog is how I got few things for the house, getting curtains, bedroom rack, setting up my workspace, just trying to see how I can manage the little resources that I have and come up with a cozy home, or a cozy a cozy place, and a place I can call a home and I'm not afraid to come back to, and especially because I work from home, so I want to have a place where I can work and I can also relax, at the same time while working with minimal budget. You guys, I don't have money and you know it, so you better watch this video. Drop like, drop comments, share, do something so that I can monetize on this channel and have somebody. Well, I don't know why I think that is your responsibility, but please, I'm just begging you. All right. Let's go and spend your money. Are you squeezing your face? Because she wants to spend money. Yes, sure you want to send me work? Baby girl. So today is the cleaning day in this apartment. I've been working. I'm tired actually. I've just washed the bedroom and the kitchen. Then this tired. Yeah, I will do it. So the problem I'm having now is all these things just want to come back. Like, I don't know how to do that. And the same thing with the bedroom. I've washed all these things that you're seeing, it won't come up. So I've been trying to look for videos on how I'm supposed to install it. I can't find any on YouTube here. So I thought to show you guys if I am successful. I'm praying that I will be successful by God's grace. So I'm going to show you how everything is going, how you're supposed to install it. There's like a guide in the package. So hopefully my brain works like the way it's supposed to work. And it's a success. All right. Now let's go. Let me show you. So this is the rack itself. This is the package it came in. There's nothing inside it again. So he has this pen. This is two, and then it's supposed to be like the cover, and this is the glue, and we have all these hooks and nuts, and this is the rack itself. So yes, and yes, there is this as well. Clean the place I want to use, so that because that thing is adhesive, so it has to be clean. Again, closer to where my shower is, because I don't know, that's just my thought. First thing is to measure this against where we want to put it. So I think this place is okay. Right. So I sort of used lipstick to mark where these things are supposed to go. This, and then I'll put one here. I can't make mistake here. That's why I do like this. Okay, so it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be straight. There you go, I think. Wow, it's even shaking now. Do that good. So instead of use that to just make it stick, because I cannot call my hair stories that touches the hands. Installing this one, I tried to measure it just to see if we are still in the same place, and I saw that it has shifted to this other side, so that's a tip. It's okay to measure it, again, so you don't make a mistake. So I've noticed that the best thing for me now is to put it on there, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's just peel this. Peel. I try and fix this part here and mix it here. That way you can get the paper. See, my lipstick has even stayed this thing. But hey, just stay over. Yeah, just like that. This one too. That's it. Ta-da! Now let's place the rack. Okay, so I could not finish that rack on that day because the other adhesive kept removing, but there was a glue they added to the package and I tried using it, but I had to leave it for 24 hours. So this is more than 24 hours and I want to try again. Hopefully it doesn't come off. That is the only way this rack can stay. If it did come off, though, bye bye to rack with that. You guys, I think we did it. Finally, staying. Hopefully it bodes well. Oh my god! Look, you guys. Look, you guys. It's doing something. Hopefully, like I'm so skeptical. If it did come off, you guys, you are going to know. You are going to hear from me. And I did not forget. If you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video, and you guys, here is the verse of the day. And I will make sure that I see you in my next one, and I will make sure that I keep giving you the tea, the gist. Just let me know what you guys want to know about me, and I'll see if I can tell you. Okay.